Maintaining good kidney health is essential for overall well-being. The kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste and excess fluid from the blood, helping to regulate blood pressure and maintaining electrolyte balance in the body. Although a balanced diet is crucial for kidney health, some foods have been linked to potential harm when consumed in excess or by individuals with certain kidney diseases. In this video, we'll explore the 10 worst foods that destroy your kidney health. Pickles. Pickles, often enjoyed as a condiment or side dish, are made by soaking cucumbers in a solution of water, vinegar and salt. They are known for their crunchy texture and savory flavor. However, the high salt content in pickles can be a concern for kidney health. Excessive salt intake can cause hypertension or high blood pressure. The kidneys play a crucial role in regulating blood pressure by managing the balance of sodium and potassium in the body. When you consume too much salt, your kidneys work harder to eliminate the excess, which can lead to high blood pressure. Prolonged high blood pressure can damage the blood vessels in the kidneys, reducing their ability to filter waste and maintain proper fluid balance. Avocados. Avocados are famous for their creamy texture and healthy monounsaturated fats. They are also rich in essential nutrients like fiber, folic acid, and vitamins E and K. However, avocado is one of the fruits with high potassium content. Although potassium is essential for muscle contraction, nerve function and maintaining a healthy heartbeat, individuals with kidney problems may face challenges regulating potassium levels. When kidney function is compromised, excess potassium can build up in the bloodstream, leading to a condition called hyperkalemia. Hyperkalemia can result in muscle weakness, irregular heart rhythms, and even potentially fatal cardiac events. For individuals with kidney problems, enjoying avocados in moderation and balancing them with low potassium foods can help prevent excessive potassium intake while still reaping the nutritional benefits. Red meat. Red meat, including beef, lamb and pork, is an important source of high-quality protein. Provides essential nutrients such as iron, zinc and vitamin B12. However, red meat can also contain saturated fats and cholesterol, which are known contributors to cardiovascular problems. Kidney health is closely linked to cardiovascular health because the kidneys depend on a healthy blood supply. Conditions such as high blood pressure and atherosclerosis can affect the blood vessels in the kidneys, potentially reducing their efficiency in filtering waste and regulating fluid and electrolyte balance. To protect kidney health, consider including lean protein sources such as poultry, fish and plant-based proteins in your diet while limiting your consumption of red meat. This approach promotes heart and kidney health. Spinach. Spinach, with its vibrant green leaves, is a nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, vitamin K, folic acid and iron. However, spinach contains high levels of oxalates, natural compounds that may contribute to the formation of kidney stones in susceptible individuals. Oxalates can bind to calcium in urine to create crystals, which can then develop into painful kidney stones. If you have a family history of kidney stones or are at risk, it's important to eat spinach and other oxalate-rich foods in moderation. Additionally, maintaining adequate hydration by drinking plenty of water can help dilute the concentration of oxalates in your urine and reduce the risk of stone formation. Dark-colored colas. Dark-colored soft drinks, including colas, are famous for their high sugar and caffeine content. Regular drinking of sugary drinks can contribute to obesity and increase your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Both obesity and diabetes can put a strain on the kidneys. Furthermore, the caffeine contained in these drinks can lead to dehydration. Dehydration reduces blood flow to the kidneys, making it harder for them to filter waste efficiently. To protect kidney health, consider making healthier beverage choices, such as water, herbal tea, or sugar-free alternatives. Reducing your sugar and caffeine intake can benefit not only your kidneys, but also your overall health. Beans and lentils. Beans and lentils are excellent sources of plant-based protein and dietary fiber, making them a valuable addition to vegetarian and vegan diets. They provide essential nutrients and can promote satiety. However, they are also rich in purines, natural compounds that can be broken down into uric acid. High levels of uric acid in the body can increase the risk of developing gout, a painful inflammatory disease that commonly affects the joints. Additionally, Uric acid can contribute to the formation of kidney stones. If you are susceptible to gout or have a family history of kidney stones, it is essential to eat beans and lentils in moderation. Staying well hydrated is also important to help eliminate excess uric acid from the body and reduce the risk of stone formation. Bananas. Bananas are well known for their high potassium content, an essential mineral for maintaining proper muscle and nerve function. However, individuals with compromised kidney function may have difficulty regulating potassium levels efficiently. Excess potassium can build up in the bloodstream, leading to hyperkalemia. Symptoms of hyperkalemia can range from muscle weakness to dangerous heart arrhythmias. Balancing potassium-rich foods, such as bananas, with low potassium options is essential for those with kidney problems. Your doctor can help you determine adequate potassium intake based on your specific needs. Tomatoes. Tomato is a versatile ingredient used in various culinary dishes and sauces. They are rich in vitamins, particularly vitamin C and vitamin A, and contain beneficial antioxidants such as lycopene. However, tomatoes are also rich in potassium. For individuals with kidney problems, excessive potassium intake can be problematic. Consumption of tomatoes and tomato-based products may contribute to high blood potassium levels, potentially affecting kidney function. As with other potassium-rich foods, moderation is key when incorporating tomatoes into your diet if you have kidney problems. Careful portion control can help ensure that potassium levels remain within a healthy range. Dairy products. Dairy products such as milk, cheese and yogurt are excellent sources of calcium and protein, which are essential for bone health and general well-being. However, excessive dairy consumption can lead to the formation of calcium oxalate stones in the kidneys. These stones can be painful and interfere with kidney function. For individuals prone to kidney stones, it is important to find a balance by including dairy products in the diet, but without overdoing it. Non-dairy sources of calcium, such as fortified plant-based milk, may also be considered. Oranges. Oranges and orange juice are known to be rich in vitamin C, and bring several health benefits. They are considered a nutritious choice due to their ability to boost the immune system and provide important antioxidants. However, oranges are also rich in potassium. As mentioned previously, excessive potassium intake can be problematic for individuals with kidney problems, and can lead to hyperkalemia. To maintain kidney health, individuals with kidney problems should consume oranges and orange products in moderation. This allows them to enjoy the nutritional benefits of oranges, while managing their potassium intake effectively. Although these foods can pose challenges to kidney health, it is crucial to emphasize that individual tolerance and overall dietary balance play a significant role. If you have specific kidney health issues or conditions, it is advisable to consult a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to create a personalized diet plan that meets your kidney health needs. Eating a balanced diet, staying well hydrated, and monitoring your overall health are critical steps to protecting your kidneys. I trust that you enjoyed the content, and click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, enable notifications, and share the video with your friends and family.